The title of our research is Weather Unpredictability. Moving on our objective, which is presented by Lord Luminoy.
I will discuss the objectives of our research. This study generally aims to explore on the problem encountered by the farmers in Tungan-Tungan, Valencia City, and Musuan Maramag, Bukidnon, in relation to the concern on the weather unpredictability and its impact on crop profitability. Specifically, it intends to fulfill the following. Number one, identify the problems encountered by the farmers in Tungan-Tungan, Valencia City, and Musuan Maramag, Bukidnon, in relation to the crop's profitability due to the weather unpredictability. Number two, formulate the solution to address the problem on crops profitability due to the weather unpredictability. Number three is outline the process in implementing the suggested solution in resolving the problem on weather unpredictability. Number four, determine the methods assessing whether the proposed solution is effective or not.
On to the who are the participants and what are their field of expertise and why they are relevant to your study. So let's begin. Participant, we are 5 interviewees and total all are farmers with varying years of experience. Interviewer number 1. Farming experience is around 40 years. Type of farm, rice with red and white rice. Farm worker. Interview number 2. Farm experience is around 6 years. Type of farm, corn. All these work from BC. And interview number 3. 55 years. Farm experience, type of farm, rice, and the role of rice maintainer. And interview number 4. Farming experience is 23 years, type of farm, seed production, and rice role rice maintainer. Interview number 5, 30 years, farm experience, type of farm, rice area, role employee and farmer. Field of expertise. The participants have expertise in agriculture and crop farming and focus on rice and corn production, seed production and maintenance, irrigation and water management, strategies for dealing with weather unpredictability such as flood and drought and El Nino or El Nina. Participants have expertise in agriculture and crop farming, focusing on rice and corn production, seed production and maintenance, seed and irrigation and water management strategies for dealing with weather unpredictability such as flood, drought, and farm management, including plants control and crop profitability. Advance to the study. The farmers are directly affected by the study main focus, which is the impact of unpredictability weather condition on crop production and profitability. They are relevant because they present real agricultural practitioners who experience the effect of climate change and their coping strategies and adjustments such as building canals, synchronized planting, and focusing irrigation system.
What are the problems encountered and why there are need a solution? There are 5 key problems. 1. Delayed planting and harvesting. 2. Water supply and problem. 3. Increased production costs. 4. Several rainfall. 5. Cross loss due to dry season. Farmer face reveal challenge that impact agricultural productivity and sustainability. Unpredictable weather makes planting and harvesting difficult. This disrupts the usual cropping calendar and reduce yields, water supply issues. Also affect crop growth. Poor irrigation system and irregular rainfall limit the water needed for farming in same regions. Heavy rainfall, floods, farmland damaging crops, ending soil and reducing fertility. Furthermore, rising costs for seeds, fertilizers, and fuel make farming less profitable, especially for small-scale farmer. Severe rainfall worsens the situation by causing waterlogging, pest invasions, and losses after harvest. Meanwhile, long dry season lead to crop wilting and total of loss due to drought and lack of moisture.
Holes. The farmers should use proper irrigation and drainage systems, plant in the same time, and use weather updates to prepare for what's growth. The government should also support farmers with modern tools, seeds, training to help them cope with unpredictable weather. Farmers should prepare early, use modern technology to handle unpredictability weather. They can coordinate planting and harvesting, building proper canals and irrigation systems, and use weather forecasts to plan their farm activities. Collaboration as a community can also help reduce pest attacks and share resources like water. Government agencies like the Department of Agriculture or DA can support farmers by providing seeds, equipment, and training to help them.
Good day, sir. Here are the steps on how to implement that solution. Prepare your land and your canal and your water pump. Then take it where you will put in your area and fix it. And to use it, you need to put gasoline, then use it properly in your area. The method is 15% and 20%. Now everyone is like that. That it's the effect of the boss. I won't give me a method. It will become the owner. Except if you plant your own field, so you can give some method. When you start cultivating your area, the weather is the first important things. During the land preparation, you will already see if you did it wrong, if you prepared is lacking. Your rice field will have deficiency until harvest. For us, we use booster plant and planting plant. After that, we set a target when to plant that we can reach the target harvest.
I would recommend this solution because it helps farmers become more prepared and less affected by unpredictable weather conditions. By using advanced technology to monitor the weather, building canals to prevent flooding, and planting together with other farmers, they can protect their crops and improve harvest results. These steps also promote teamwork and efficient resource use, especially during difficult seasons. Following these strategies will not only lessen crop damage, but also strengthen the farmers' ability to adapt and continue their livelihood despite changing weather patterns.